In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a budget in QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Now, let's dive right in and make budgeting a breeze. First things first, open QuickBooks Online. If you're not already on the homepage, head over there now. It's here that you'll begin your easy budgeting journey. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials. So type in your email and password. It's important to use your correct email to avoid any login issues. Once you've done that, you'll then click on the sign in button again to access your account. After successfully logging in, navigate to the budget section. If you're unsure where to find it, it's typically located within the company section or the tools menu. Click on budgets and you'll be taken to the main budgeting page. Once you're there, you'll notice an option to create a budget. Click on this to start setting up your budget. You're now at the point where you need to decide the type of budget you want to create. Typically, you can choose a budget based on a customer, class, or location depending on your business needs. After selecting your budget type, it's time to click Next. This action leads you to select the period for which this budget will be applicable. You may opt for a yearly budget or perhaps a quarterly one, whatever best suits your business operations and requirements. Once you've chosen the period, you will now add the budget per category. This step is crucial as it lays out the foundation of your financial planning. Take a moment to carefully enter estimated figures for each category, reflecting your business income and expenses. This data helps foresee any potential financial roadblocks and allows you to plan accordingly. After entering the necessary figures in the corresponding categories, it's time to click on Save. This critical step ensures all your hard work is not lost and that your budget is securely stored within QuickBooks Online. With that, congratulations, you've just set up your budget in QuickBooks Online in under 5 minutes. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident using QuickBooks Online for your budgeting needs. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher or to ensure you're following the right steps. Thanks for joining today and happy budgeting.